So today we are going to study about the topical agents. So topical agents are the compounds or preparations that are applied locally. They are applied locally on the surface of the skin or mucous membrane. So they are applied locally on the surface of skin or mucous membrane. So they are the substances or they are the medicinal agents applied on body surface, including applications within the body cavities. So they are applied within the body cavities that open to the outside. Example, suppose they are applied to the oral, vagina, colonal, nose, ear, rectum, etc. So these are the topical agents or the compounds or medicinal preparations or the drugs or pharmacological compounds that are applied locally on the surface of the skin or mucous membrane. So classification of topical agents are protectives and adsorbents. Example, talc, antimicrobial agents, compounds acting by oxidation. Example, hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, compounds acting by halogenation. Example, chlorinated lime. Okay, compound acting by protein precipitation. Example, silver nitrate and boric acid. Sulfur and its compound. Example, sublimed sulfur, astringent, alum. So this is the classification. First are protectives and adsorbents that are applied over the surface of the body on the skin surface, that is talc. Antimicrobial agents, compounds acting by oxidation. So these compounds, they act by oxidation. Okay, example, hydrogen peroxide and potassium permanganate. So compound acting by halogenation. Example, chlorinated lime. Compounds acting by protein precipitation. Example, silver nitrate, boric acid. Okay, so sulfur and its compound. Example, sublimed sulfur. Astringent. Example, alum. So protective and adsorbents, these are the chemical agents that cover skin or mucous membrane from possible irritants. So these are the chemical agents or these are the drugs that cover the skin or mucous membrane from possible irritants. Okay, they protect from the irritants. So the protective compound must have following properties. So what are the properties of the protectives? First is insolubility. The protective compound must be insoluble in body fluids. So the protective compounds that we are using, that should be insoluble in body fluids. They should not be soluble in body fluids. If the compound dissolves, then they will not show action. So if they are if they solubilize in the body fluids, if the compound dissolve, then they will not show any action. So adsorbent action, they should have good adherence property on the skin or stomach linings or intestinal walls. So these adsorbents, they should have a good adherence property on the skin or on the stomach linings or on the intestinal walls. So chemical property, they should be chemically inert. It should not react with the skin or gastric and intestinal fluids. So these protective and adsorbents, um, it should be chemically inert and they should not react with the skin or gastric and intestinal fluids. Antimicrobials and astringents. So agents, an antimicrobial agent is an agent that kills microorganisms or stops their growth. So antimicrobial agent, they kill the microorganisms and they stop the growth of microorganisms. An antimicrobial agent is defined as natural or synthetic substance that kills or inhibits the growth of microorganisms. So it is a natural or it is a synthetic substances that kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi and algae. Classification and mechanism of action. So what is the classification of antimicrobial agent? Inorganic antimicrobial agents act by following mechanisms. First is oxidation, hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate. Second is halogenation, iodine, bleaching powder. Third is protein precipitation, silver nitrate. So oxidation mechanism, the compounds act on protein containing sulfhydryl group. So these compounds act on the protein which contains SH, that is sulfhydryl group. So sulfhydryl group present in microbial protein oxidized to a disulfide group. So thus alter the molecular shape of the protein, ultimately leading to oxidation of the protein. So 2-sulfhydryl group SH from a disulfide bridge and inactivate the protein. Okay. Halogenation mechanisms. So halogenation, addition of halogens, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluoride. So amide groups present in protein at peptide linkage undergo chlorination with change in molecular shape and ultimate destruction of the protein. Hence it kills the microbe. So it will kill the microbe. Protein precipitation, a good number of polar groups as well as groups having lone pair of electrons always present in protein structure, and they act as a ligands. So it will form complex with transitional metal cations, thus resulting in the precipitation of the protein. So astringents are the substances which produce surface or local protein precipitation action when applied to the damaged skin or mucous membrane. So when they are applied, they will, on the damaged skin or mucous membrane, they will precipitate the protein. So antiseptic, disinfectant, germicide and bacteriostatic. So antiseptic. So what is the difference between antiseptic and disinfectants? So these are the antimicrobial substances. Antiseptic are antimicrobial substances that are applied to the living tissues or skin to reduce the possibility of infection or sepsis. To reduce the infection or to reduce the possibility of sepsis or infection, these are applied on the surface of the living tissue or skin. So disinfectant are substances that are applied to non-living inanimate objects. So these are the agents that are applied to the non-living objects to destroy microorganisms that are living on the objects. So they are uh, used to destroy the microorganisms that are living on the non-living things. Germicides, these are the agents which kill the microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. So bacteriostatic, these are the agents which functions by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Okay, these agents do not kill but arrest the growth of bacteria. So it doesn't kill but it prevents the growth of bacteria. So bactericide is a chemical agent that kills the bacteria. So these are the chemical agents that will kill the bacteria. Bactericide. Sterilization is the process of destroying all microorganisms and the products. This process makes treated object completely free from microorganisms. So it is the process of destroying all the microorganisms and the microorganism products that are present in the products or formulations. So this process make treated object completely free from microorganisms. So compounds acting by oxidation mechanism, hydrogen peroxide H2O2. So dirt and dust catalyzes the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Hence it should be stored in tightly closed container. So as hydrogen peroxide can get decomposed, it should be stored in tightly closed container. So it is light sensitive and hence light resistant glass container is used. So it is a light sensitive, and here light sensitive glass container is used. It does not contain stabilizer or should be stored in cool place. So it should be stored in a cool place. Stability of high purity is stable. However, contamination with traces of divalent and polyvalent ion of chromium, iron, copper, mercury, etc. will catalyze the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. So H2O2 is stable to aluminum as it does not catalyze decomposition. Therefore, H2O2 hydrogen peroxide should be stored in aluminum tank. It should be protected from dirt and contact of the rubber or some metals, and also acids, adsorbents, complexing agents may be used as a stabilizer. So mild antiseptic, it is used as antiseptic, it is used as astringent, it is used as disinfectant, it is used as cleaning agent for cuts and wounds. Okay, 4.1.6% solution is used in deodorants, gargles and mouth washes. So antidote in phosphorus and cyanide poisoning. It is used as a antidote in phosphorus and cyanide poisoning. It is used as bleaching agent. It is used as germicidal action, used for removal of wax, pharmaceutical formulation, hydrogen peroxide solution, IP 20, volume 100 volume. Marketed preparation is Listerine mouthwash, hydroxyl mouthwash. So storage, potassium permanganate. It should be stored in well closed container, avoiding contact with organic matter. Potassium permanganate must be handled with care because dangerous explosion may occur if it comes in contact with organic substances and oxidizable substances. So it should be stored in well closed container, avoiding contact with organic matter. So it is used as local anti-infective agent. It is used as mouthwash and gargle. It is used as stomach wash in the treatment of narcotic drug poisoning. It is used as antibacterial, antifungal, germicidal and astringent. So potassium permanganate tablet for solution, granules and powder. Marketed preparation is Listerine, Permasol, Coimtrecho X. Compound acting by halogenation mechanism, that is chlorinated lime, CaOCl, bleaching powder, chloride of lime, calcium chlorohypochlorite. So it is used in antibacterial, disinfectant, deodorant. It is used as a bleaching agent. It is used for wound infection. It is used for sterilization of water. It decomposes even of mere keeping, and this decomposition is accelerated by carbon dioxide, moisture and sunlight. So it should be stored in airtight container in cool place, protected from light and moisture. So pharmaceutical formulations are granules. Marketed preparation calcium hypochlorite granules. Compound acting by protein precipitation mechanism, boric acid, H3BO3. Synonym, boric acid or orthoboric acid. Use of boric acid, it is used as buffer to maintain the pH. It is used as dusting powder. It is used as bacteriostatic and fungistatic. It is used as anti-infective agent. It is used in preparation of boroglycerin. So storage, it should be stored in airtight container. Pharmaceutical preparation, its granules are prepared, pellets are prepared, tablets are prepared, powders are prepared, eardrop, powder, capsule. Marketed preparations, boric acid eardrop, boric acid powder, boro spray, silver nitrate, AgNO3. Store in airtight amber colored glass bottles in cool and dark place. Solution should be stored in alkali free bottles. So it is used as astringent and antimicrobial agent. So at higher concentration it is used as astringent. Okay, at very low concentration it is used as bacteriostatic. Silver nitrate ophthalmic solution is used as eye wash. Dilute solution used in paints. Its aqueous solutions are used in eye lotions. So topical ointment is the pharmaceutical formulations, topical solution, topical sticks. Okay, marketed preparations are Graphco silver nitrate. So ionic silver is solution consisting of water and silver ions. So it is used as antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral and immune support. So pharmaceutical formulation, ionic silver solution, ionic silver gel, ionic silver cream is used. So it is used as a marketed preparation is Silver X ionic cream or Silver X ionic gel, also in silver. Chlorhexidine gluconate, it should be stored in airtight container. It is used as mouthwash or oral rinse for treatment of gingivitis. So formulations, chlorhexidine gluconate mouthwash IP. Marketed preparation, Parox, Peridex, Perichip, Perigard. Okay.